Here we go for another Ford truck start, the 87 Ranger.
Look how beat this is. It's an 86.
Oh, 86. All right.
Snow shovel. Have you seen inside?
No.
That's never going to start. It's full up with snow to the door. I can't even see
you
the
don't look in here, I tell you.
Let me see the interior.
She's been through a lot, this truck.
Oh my God, you're going to need some serious ass protection. That's what you call a cold start. Oh, there's Redneck's Rickham's truck with the bonnet up. And a little snow in there for a cold start.
Look at this.
She'll go. Nah. She'll go. Nah. Oh, I have faith. Oh. Oh.
I can't see it starting.
Have some faith, bloke.
It's got more snow.
We don't have much of a connection, but...
Well, crank that baby to kingdom come.
We get fuel pump, we have start.
You're cheating, you're not sitting on all that snow. Oh, need a little gas. Go. Oh, hang on. Try again. Yeah. Oh, that's gold.
Can't believe it.
There you go.
and you hear how smooth that runs?
That was misfiring.
Huh?
That was misfiring.
Take it for a run.
Hang on, once more.
Oh, now she's smooth. Sweet. You can depend on your Ford on a cold day.
The beautiful sound of that motor, I love it.
With all those kilometers on it too.
What?
With all those kilometers on it too.
I know, it's got like 314,000 kilometers. Original.
And it doesn't even smoke when you start it.
Nope, original kilometers. Head gasket blew. I didn't even replace the head gasket. I just put that seal in
I know.
And that was 60,000 kilometers ago.
Just a shame about the roof, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, shut her down. Sweet.